So if you are planning to learn any IT course without hesitating, you can start to learn any IT course, guys. So these days, many of the subscribers and followers and new members used to ask me, so is this right time to learn any IT course like software testing or any other tools or development or full stack or data science? So these type of doubts are rising from the candidates because of AI, artificial intelligence related courses are coming. AI will replace the existing IT courses. Okay, so these type of questions are rising from the candidates. I will tell you one thing, guys. Without having any doubts, you can start to learn whatever you prefer IT course, because it takes a long time, or it takes after 5 years or 10 years to replace the existing IT courses with AI or artificial intelligence. So don't worry, guys, you can learn the existing IT courses, whatever you prefer IT course. But I can say one thing, guys, whatever IT courses are there which are doing manually, so those type of software courses will not be recommended, because AI will replace those kind of software jobs which are manually completing any software task. Remind all IT courses or software courses you can happily start to learn, and there is no worry about will replaced by the AI technology now or in the future. So in future maybe it will replace, but it takes a long time, guys. So what is your opinion on this topic, guys? So please comment in the comment section. Will AI technology replace all existing software courses very soon, now or in the future? Then how many years it will take to replace existing technology with the AI course? So please comment in the comment section. So if you really love this updated information, hit the like button and you share to your friends as well. So I will come back with one more useful content video. Till then, thank you very much. Bye bye.